पिता अभिमान है, पिता कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी अभिमान तो कभी स्वाभिमान है पिता, कभी धरती तो कभी आसमान है पिता, कभी धरती तो कभी आसमान है पिता। माँ ने गर जन्म दिया है तो, माँ ने गर जन्म दिया है तो, जिससे पहचानेगा पूरा जग वो पहचान है पिता, जिससे पहचानेगा पूरा जग वो पहचान है पिता। माँ है गर मीठी सी लोरी, माँ है गर मीठी सी लोरी, तो जिसे कभी न भूल पाऊंगा वो पहचान है, वो कहानी है पिता, तो जिसे कभी न भूल पाऊंगा वो कहानी है पिता। माँ है घर रसोई, माँ है घर रसोई, तो जिससे चलता है पूरा घर वो राशन है पिता, तो जिससे चलता है पूरा घर वो राशन है पिता। माँ ने घर पैरों पे चलना सिखाया है, माँ ने घर पैरों पे चलना सिखाया है, तो पैरों पे खड़ा होना सिखाता है पिता, तो पैरों पे खड़ा होना सिखाता है पिता। माँ है कभी तन्हा है तो कभी खुशियों का मेला है, कभी कितना अकेला है। द लास्ट लाइन एंड ब्यूटीफुल लाइन्स। माँ घर बेच देती है जरूरत पर गहने, माँ घर बेच देती है जरूरत पर गहने, तो जो खुद को बेच दे वो व्यापारी है पिता। This is my opinion about father, and this is very emotional topic, and I have no words that I can describe the value, the importance, the tremendous love and the need of a father in our life in words. Thank you. First of all, I wish to pay the thanks to the Honorable Sir who has given me the golden chance to say something on the podium. Today, my topic is father. Father is a very emotional topic. There is nobody in the world that can describe the importance, the value, the tremendous love and the sacrifice of a father in words. Nobody. The love, the sacrifice of a father to describe in words is beyond words. I want to say some lines in Urdu. कल रात सोचा बाबा तेरे एहसान लिखूं, कल रात सोचा बाबा तेरे एहसान लिखूं, हो गई सुबह क्या क्या मैं नादान लिखूं, हो गई सुबह क्या क्या मैं नादान लिखूं, मेरे अल्फाज नहीं तेरी शान के काबिल, मेरे अल्फाज नहीं तेरी शान के काबिल, मैं किस तरह तेरी हस्ती के उन्वान लिखूं। Father is the most beautiful word in the world. Father is everything for a child. Father is one. Father is like a godfather. When a child born, he does not see God, but he see the face of his mother or father first. A father is a whole land and whole sky for a newly born child. He brings up his child like a small plant. He give everything to his child. He give everything, every facility and a great atmosphere to his child so that his child become a successful man in the world. He provides all type of facilities. He teaches his child a good lesson to lead a decent life in the society. He teaches his child a well manner, well custom, well tradition, well values of his religion, so that his child become a great and successful in every field of life. The way he sacrifices his desires, wishes, his emotions, his own whole lifetime achievements and earnings for making his child great. The way a small plant turns into a great tree and give shade to the pupil. In the same way, a child become a successful man in the world, and his name or fame is spread all over the world. It is a father's dream that his child become a successful man in the world. In the childhood, a child is known because of his father. But when a child become elder, then his father is known because of his child, because of his success, his name, his fame. It is a dream of every father that his child, either he is a girl, either he is a boy, or she is a girl, both are successful in life and lives a very successful and beautiful life in the world. It is a dream of a father, so that he sacrifices all the things for making his child great. I want to say some lines on the importance of a father. पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है, मकान है. पिता रोटी है, कपड़ा है, मकान है. पिता नन्हे से परिंदे का पूरा आसमान है. पिता नन्हे से परिंदे का पूरा आसमान है. पिता है तो घर में प्रतिपल राग है. पिता है तो घर में प्रतिपल राग है. पिता से ही माँ की चूड़ी बिंदी और सुहाग है. पिता से ही माँ की चूड़ी बिंदी और सुहाग है. पिता है तो सारे सपने अपने हैं. पिता है तो बाजार के सब खिलौने अपने हैं. I cannot describe the emotion, the feelings of a child who have no father. I cannot think that a child, what can he leads his life without father? But we are blessed by God that we have father. We have father in our life who protects us from all kind of danger, who teaches us a good lesson to lead a good life, who take care of her या him in many difficulties. जब भी लड़खड़ाई कश्ती मेरी किस्मत की, जब भी लड़खड़ाई कश्ती मेरी किस्मत की, हर बार उसने संभाला है. जब भी लड़खड़ाई कश्ती मेरी किस्मत की, हर बार उसने संभाला है. वो लिबास में खुदा है, वो लिबास में खुदा है जिसने मुझे पाला है. Now I am going to tell about my father. My father name is Abdul Wadud. He is a great man for me. I love my father very much. I have learned everything to my father. I am here because of my father. Today, we are 4 brothers and sisters. We have a big family, and my father is in one government job. And in one government job, he gave higher education to all the children. He gave a perfect life to all the children. Now my brothers are also in government job. My sisters are well settled in their in-laws' house. My father always motivates me with his own words. He is always be the guiding soul of me and the motivator for my life. He always believes on me and show a sense of confidence whenever I feel depressed or sad. He suffered a lot in his own life. He sacrificed and gave up his own dream, own wishes, own desire so that we make successful in our life. So describes the importance and the feelings of a father in words is beyond words. I have say some things.